Deflation cannot occur within a credit-based system without causing the system to collapse. This is a key point where misunderstandings often arise. In contrast, Bitcoin is experiencing deflation. If you look at any time frame over the past 4 years, it's clear that Bitcoin is demonstrating deflationary trends. The issue is largely a matter of perspective and measuring bias. Those who are moving to Bitcoin are essentially embracing a future-oriented free market system where prices are falling due to deflation. The traditional financial system, on the other hand, is consolidating power, becoming more centralized and facing increasing challenges. Bitcoin operates as a permissionless, open, and decentralized protocol underpinned by energy. By shifting your focus to Bitcoin, you are aligning yourself with this future-oriented system. It is straightforward. By adopting Bitcoin, you are effectively transitioning to a more advanced and transparent financial model. So the transition is not complex. It is simply about adapting your approach to finance and living in a future that Bitcoin is already realizing.
Deflation isn't feasible within a credit-based system without causing its collapse. This is a common point of confusion. In a credit-based system, deflation typically leads to a severe contraction or even a breakdown because the system relies heavily on credit expansion to function. When credit contracts, the entire structure faces significant stress. Bitcoin is already experiencing deflation. If you analyze its performance over any 4-year period, the deflationary trend becomes evident. This is not a potential outcome, it's actively happening. The perception of Bitcoin's deflation is often skewed by the biases in measuring traditional financial metrics. Those who are transitioning to Bitcoin are effectively stepping into a future where the financial system operates differently. Bitcoin represents a free market where prices are naturally falling due to its deflationary properties. Meanwhile, the existing financial system continues to centralize power, becoming more consolidated and facing increasing inefficiencies. Bitcoin stands out as a permissionless, open, and decentralized protocol, fundamentally grounded in energy. By adopting Bitcoin, you realigning with a forward-looking financial model. It is about moving your financial activities to a system that reflects future trends in value and transparency. Embracing Bitcoin means you're engaging with an advanced financial infrastructure that's already shaping the future of finance. Transitioning to Bitcoin is not a complex process. It is a straightforward way to align with an evolving and more efficient financial paradigm.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our video notification. And like the video.
When the US dollar strengthens, innovation within those markets often slows down, particularly in areas related to Bitcoin's Layer 2 and Layer 3 solutions. This is because the stronger dollar can stifle innovation in these spending layers. Conversely, in regions with weaker currencies or broken monetary systems, there's often high inflation and significant economic challenges. These areas are less influenced by dominant financial systems, and as a result, they're adopting and growing their own crypto ecosystems more rapidly. In fact, the growth of Bitcoin's base layer is outpacing that of the internet, with Layer 2 solutions like Lightning Network and emerging technologies such as Nostr expanding at an extraordinary rate. These innovations are driving massive adoption, particularly in regions that are further removed from traditional financial monopolies. To illustrate, imagine if only one business in your town accepted Bitcoin, like a local bakery. If you had to travel a long distance just to use Bitcoin or Lightning Network at that bakery, most people would find it impractical and would likely not make the effort. This highlights the importance of widespread acceptance and integration for driving adoption.
When the US dollar strengthens, it often results in slower innovation within markets that are closely tied to it, particularly in areas related to Bitcoin's Layer 2 and Layer 3 solutions. This is because a stronger dollar can dampen the pace of innovation in these sectors, as the existing system becomes more entrenched and less flexible. On the other hand, in regions where monetary systems are weaker or more unstable, often due to the influence of the US financial system, there is typically higher inflation and more severe economic issues. These areas, being more removed from traditional financial monopolies, tend to adopt and expand their own crypto ecosystems at a faster rate. For instance, the growth of Bitcoin's base layer is outstripping the expansion rates seen during the early days of the internet. Layer 2 solutions, such as the Lightning Network, and new technologies like Nostr are also growing rapidly, demonstrating how quickly these innovations are being embraced. These developments are driving significant adoption, especially in regions that are less affected by established financial systems. Consider this scenario if there was only one business in your town, a local bakery that accepted Bitcoin, and you had to travel a considerable distance to use Bitcoin or Lightning Network there. Most people would find it impractical and would likely avoid using it. This example underscores the need for widespread acceptance and ease of use to drive adoption. The key to Bitcoin's success and broader integration lies in making it as accessible and convenient as possible, thereby facilitating greater adoption and use across various regions and markets.
Start by dedicating just 1% of your time to learning about Bitcoin. As you become more engaged, increase that to 2%, then 4%, and eventually 8%. You'll find that your life transforms remarkably for the better. You'll stop feeling frustrated with the existing system, which is designed to keep you trapped and constantly running on a treadmill. This system often leads you to believe that your challenges are due to external factors, when in reality, it's structured to control you. As you delve into Bitcoin, you'll begin to see a different world, of one that doesn't operate within those constraints. You'll discover that 99.9% of people on this planet are genuinely incredible. And when you build systems that serve these people, you see the best of humanity. Immersing yourself in this space and investing in it will not only enrich your financial life, but also enhance your overall experience. I am not just talking about monetary wealth. I am referring to a richer, more fulfilling life within a system that aligns with your values and aspirations.
Start by dedicating just 1% of your time to learning about Bitcoin. As you become more curious and engaged, gradually increase that commitment to 2%, then 4%, and eventually 8%. This incremental approach can lead to a profound transformation in your life. You'll begin to shift your perspective away from frustration with the current system, which is designed to keep you in a state of constant struggle and dependency. The existing system often perpetuates the illusion that external factors or other people are responsible for your challenges, when in reality, it's designed to maintain control over you. As you immerse yourself in the world of Bitcoin, you'll discover a different reality, one that operates outside the constraints of traditional financial systems. You'll start to see that 99.9% of people on this planet are genuinely remarkable. And when you build systems that cater to these individuals, you begin to witness the best of humanity. Engaging with Bitcoin and its ecosystem can lead to a more enriching and fulfilling life beyond just financial gains. It offers a chance to be part of a system that aligns with your values and aspirations, providing a deeper sense of purpose and satisfaction. Investing time and energy into understanding Bitcoin and its potential can open doors to a more rewarding and liberated existence. It's not just about monetary wealth, it's about finding a richer, more meaningful way of living and interacting with the world. This journey can ultimately lead to a more satisfying and enriched life, aligned with a future that is both empowering and promising.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our video notification. And like the video.